There is nobody in this place who's a loser. There is nobody in this place tonight who's a loser. But if you believe that you're a loser, you will remain in loser's paradise until you get a revelation of something else. Amen. You got to lift yourself. You got to lift yourself. You got to lift yourself out of your situation. And you know what? The first way, the first thing we do to step up is we talk up.
Amen.
We talk up. You talk up to heaven. You decree up. Amen. You confess up. You call from up there. And you get it down into you. And you change your mindset. And you begin to trust God. And things will change in your life.